Greetings, students. This is Dr. Carol Brown at East Carolina University. I'm sending you this personal greeting to those of you who are enrolled in Edtc 6070, Digital Literacy in the K-12 Classroom. I've just completed reading your autobiographies, and I must say you are a very interesting group of people. I think you're the most varied and diverse group I have ever had in any class since I've been teaching in the instructional technology program. But you bring a rich variety of backgrounds and areas of expertise, all the way from entrepreneurship in a pizza restaurant to being school administrators. And so I'm excited about working with you. You have a number of tasks to complete and digital projects to help familiarize you with different tools. You're all at different levels in your skill sets, and that's fine, you should be. But as you submit different assignments, especially those on the discussion forums and on blogs, we'll be able to learn a lot from each other, and I really look forward to seeing all these things. You have 10 tasks in that first assignment. These are, like I said, are designed to help familiarize you with some of the more currently popular tools, and I want to make sure you have time enough to complete these and not rush or feel frustrated trying to finish up. So you'll think about the amount of time you'll need. When I design the course, I plan on each student taking about an hour per credit hour outside of class time for reading and preparation. And this is a 3 credit hour course, so that means you would spend 3 hours outside of class reading and in your preparation. So you want to plan accordingly for that. Accordingly, this first assignment 1 for the first task, you need about 3 hours to comfortably read everything and then complete the assignment and submit it. And I will send feedback to each of you individually most of the time. Other assignments I may send a group response, like a video or a blog that I posted, or discussion thread that I posted in response to your work. Please post your things by the due date. This is so that I will have time to read and respond to your work. And also it's for your benefit, because if you fall behind, it is nearly impossible to catch up. So you'll want to look at your calendar and plan accordingly. Again, I'm just very excited about working with you. If you live near campus, I'd be glad to meet with you in my office. For those of you who live across the state, I'm familiar with many of your hometowns and your schools. I've been traveled in many of those areas. I remember when I first came to North Carolina, I visited Hertford, North Carolina, and I have been over in the western part of the state to visit schools over there. So I think our classroom is a great classroom, and the walls are expanded many miles in all directions. I look forward to reading your first assignments, which is the blog, and I hope you have a good weekend, and probably will talk with you next week.